This is Shotzi. Tell me about Shotzi. She's just a baby, right?
3 months old, red heeler mix. Full of energy, but loves to play with toys, balls. She loves tennis balls. Good character. And just a baby puppy.
Yes, she's a baby puppy for sure. And she will need some patience in teaching her how to do the things you want, especially house training. But it won't take long, and we'll be glad to help you. Hello, little girl.
Sit.
Little girl.
Sit.
She knows how to roll over already.
Sit. 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 Good. Sit. Can you shake? No, you can shake. You're just adorable. Very
Good
loving.
girl.